found the roaming bear. We're going Christmas camping. It's not quite Christmas, but close enough. I think we're, 5 days away from Christmas? And, yeah. Originally had planned to come here to Cook Creek Rec Site. We thought there'd be snow here, but there isn't any snow, and it's raining and 2 degrees. So, we're gonna plan B the situation and head up the FSR up the mountain instead of down to the river. We're going up to the tops. I think there's 2 or 3 rec site kind of lakes up there. I'm unfamiliar with this area, but we're gonna go for a little exploration here and see what we can find. So tag along, and yeah, ho ho ho. Cook Creek. more flares. All right, so we're currently touring up the Cook Creek Forest Service Road. Either we're on the right side of the hydro line or the wrong side. I'm not too sure because we have no service and my map's not updating. So I'm just kind of winging it. I think we can get to Spruce Lake from this trail, so we're just going to enjoy the snow and have some fun and hopefully make it up the Spruce Lake. Worst case, we might have to double back or try to find ourselves a way across because it's almost like there's like a valley in between us and another FSR, and the Cook Creek runs down through that little valley or whatever. So, and it kind of looks like we're getting to the point now where all I'm seeing is snowmobile tracks and the road has not been pushed or nothing. So we'll see how deep the snow gets up here. For those familiar with the area, we're in Hunter's Range Mountains. It goes from like Malaqua, I think, almost to like Vernon or something. I'm not super familiar with the mountains around here because I am a prairie boy after all, but I'm doing my best to explore them. See nothing with the drone because it's like foggy. I can't see nothing out of it.
Oh,
Like on my map, it kind of makes it seem like we gotta go right, but I don't know.
This isn't even on the map. The road on our right here. Cookie.
Snow washed. All right, this snow's super sticky actually. We haven't even aired down, still have highway pressures. We're gonna see how far we can go until we get stuck, which it looks like that might be right now. Maybe, I don't know. Like I always say in my videos, throttle control. Just keep those tires from spinning too much. Pretty much just keep going when it's snow like this. I love it. All right, let's see. This was a little slick here. And Jamie's feeling a little uncomfortable about the situation. He's still got like a foot. All right, a cool 6 in the rear and 4 in the front. Let's get it. Ready? All right, we kind of got no idea where we are at the moment, but I think we're coming up to it. Snow's probably like at a foot about now, but it is raining, and the snow is pretty slippery. It's like sticky, but once it gets driven on a couple times, it just turns into like a real slick surface. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on going down this trail. GPS says to take a right here, but there's only one road, so I'm just gonna keep following this, and hopefully we stumble upon Spruce Creek or Spruce Lake. I mean. Bone trucking. It's kind of boring wheeling because it's just snow. It's not very deep, so it's not challenging. The only challenging part is that it's slick.
Boring for you, fun for Kyle.
Yeah, I'm having fun, as you can tell, because I'm cheesing. Bunch of moose sign. Following into the creek on the road. Snow doesn't really seem to be getting any deeper, to be honest. It's kind of just like the same depth. Are you awake? Wake up. There you go. We shall pass. Snow's good, and we're just gonna keep on climbing here until we get to Spruce Lake, because I don't know, we're past the point of no return. We're about an hour into this trek, and I don't really want to go back to the river, so hopefully this takes us to Spruce Lake. Jamie's in the thick of it back there. Deny that fact. They do be grippy in this stuff, especially once you get them down to like 4 pounds. Woo! He's got a tree. Oh, good tree. The tree's just following in the track. Look at it. That's hilarious. It's deep. I'm like not on the trail apparently. Oh. The more we drive on it, the slipperier it gets. Stuff's getting deep. Front bumper now. I think this might be the end of the line. And we missed a turn somewhere, so we're not even going to Cook Creek. Now we're just at the Alpine trying to get as far as we can. And I'm hitting my bumpers, hitting the snow, as you can see. It gets deep like right now. So we're basically not floating anymore, so I think what we got to do is try to find somewhere to turn around. We're gonna have to go back downhill because we got about an hour and a half of daylight, and we need to get to camp so we can make our Christmas dinner. It's almost Christmas dinner time. You're gonna have to wait to see what we're cooking though. Oh. Well, here rests the Pathfinder that tried. All right, current situation. Stuck. I'm like not really that stuck, and neither is Jamie, but this snow is so like smooth. It packs so smooth.
It doesn't help that it's raining.
No, the rain isn't helping.
And the creek between us and
Yeah, there is definitely a creek that Jamie's currently crawling through.
I'm gonna be so happy to get around a fire.
Yeah, right.
Oh, dude.
Now we could totally either like go down, all the way back to the river if we really want. Then,
I'm wet. Like,
yeah.
I'm not cold, but I'm just wet.
Okay. We'll find somewhere to go. I don't know
Grab
where,
my,
but
steak in a can.
your barley sandwich.
It's this.
There you go. Nothing like it. Being stuck in the bush in the piss and rain in 2 feet of snow. 2.5 feet we'll go. We'll be.
There's a lot of other things that I would not rather be doing.
Kind of thought it would turn to snow at some point, but it's kind of just raining and hovering around 2 degrees. We got approximately an hour of daylight left. And yeah, I don't know. We can't find this road that goes over to Spruce Lake. So we got one more spot to check on GPS here, and if we don't find it, I think we're just gonna go back down to the river because it's pouring rain anyway, so we might as well go down there. There were some good spots kind of in the trees. Can maybe get some coverage there, so yeah, keep you updated. All right, we found the trail. We got a bit of a deactivation to face here. But luckily Patty is nice and small. She's a small girl and she makes it down the tight trail.
Small girl.
Small girl. I don't know how we missed this trail coming up. I seen it, but it just didn't click to me that this was the one that we need to go on.
It looks like nothing.
Well, it's a side-by-side trail. Anyway, we'll keep pushing down here. All right, big river crossing. Here we go. A little deeper than it looks. That water's a little deeper than I thought it was going to be. It's a little deep. It's not too bad though. There's one little pocket. Man, this camera angle does not show how nasty this looks. Yeah, let her eat. Easy money. I think we're gonna camp right on this little river down here. Worst case, if we get stuck coming out, we got winch points everywhere. It's one of those things where it feels worse than it is, right? All right, dropping. Welcome to our camp spot. Right by the river. Oh, that I can't help. All right. Spruce Lake is a bust. So this spot, unfortunately, we'll have to do. How unfortunate. We get to sleep beside a river on a sandbar. Don't hate that at all. Super sick. Super sick spot. Should I seen you put both of them in there? it smells stinky. Yeah. Thank God for this fire, man. Or I wouldn't be here. All right, thank God for awnings. Sheesh. Let's get this all set up. Remember the last trip we actually snapped this awning rod, but for 26 bucks we got a replacement right from Doghouse, so that's sick. $20 fix. All right, I don't know what's going on. It's pouring rain. We're set up. We got some lights up and stuff. My plan was to do like a whole Christmassy situation. I wanted to decorate a tree and stuff, but it's pissing rain.
Things don't always go according to plan.
It's literally raining so much, as you can probably hear on the awning here. Like, look at, everything's wet. But anyway, we're not gonna let that get the best of us.
And we forgot our main cooking pot.
Yeah, and we forgot our pot at home, so we're trying to make, the plan was like a honey ham and like potatoes and beans and sprouts all in one pot and then cook it on the fire, but we didn't bring a pot, so we got the ham on a grill by the fire, just slowly roasting away, and then we're gonna cook some vegetables in just this little pan we got. But I'm gonna prep that up and get ready for that. I can't believe we forgot our pot. Rookie move. But happy solstice.
Oh, happy solstice.
You know?
Oh, the chocolate bag's open.
Oh, there must be a mouse. I don't know who got into that. Okay, so yeah, I need the vegetables. We got 3 pots, so we're gonna dice those up, and then we're just gonna get that stuff cooking on the burner.
I'll be in a sec if you want, but I'm very busy.
We got the beans all cut. Now we got little green brains. It's kind of dark in here, but you get the idea. We don't have oil or butter, so we're just gonna use rainwater.
Natural. I brought no fats.
No fats. Mosquito spray might be good. Let's try it. Let's get it. All right, so we got Jody's honey. Thanks, Jody, for the honey. I'm appreciative of that. It's gonna go on our ham for this solstice dinner.
Our clove ham.
How am I gonna do this without making a mess? I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, baby. Action cam. So we're just gonna do a little honey glaze on this. Put the cloves in there. Yeah, we're just gonna let that ham sit there for a while. Might even glaze her again. All right, Christmas dinner is rolling. We got some beans and sprouts. In here we got some potatoes boiling. Yeah, we're making do without the pot. I've just been setting that on there. It's actually keeping that nice and warm, so that's good. Yeah, we are doing it. We're doing the thing. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to snur. Finally, after like hours of straight rain, I'll take some snow. And check out nice this ham's coming out. I was kind of tripping about the ham, but it looks delicious. It's getting snowed on, but it's a hot ham, so. Yeah, we gotta. I'll show you the morning wheel we gotta do. So, I don't know if you can see. Not really, but we're gonna go across the river and then up like, is that about 100 foot? Probably. Bit of an incline. But honestly, I'm somewhat glad to see snow over rain all night and then that just turning into sheet ice. I think snow at least will give us some traction. So hopefully we can make it up that. We'll find out tomorrow. We'll see how much snow we get. Yeah, Skinny Pedal will take care of any hill. I tell you what. But yeah. Don't mind me.
Just take dinner.
Dinner is ready. We got some taters. We got some sprouts and beans, and the ham's over there. So we're gonna get that ham cut up, get some plates out. We're gonna get that ham cut up, get some plates out, and we're gonna serve solstice Christmas dinner in the bush by a water feature, a nice creek.
A river.
A river by a river. Great river, the best river ever. Okay, I'm stupid. Don't mind me.
Kyle edited it.
Kyle edit that out. We're gonna enjoy this dinner.
I think vile.
I'm just gonna use my hands. It's hot. It's very hot. Oh my god, it looks so good though. It's hard to see it. That's a ham. So yeah, just gonna slice this baby up and be mindful of cloves while we eat. They do taste good, but oh, this ham looks perfect. The cutting board is a little. There. Honey ham by the river for Christmas. Solstice, longest day, shortest day of the year. So let's get that bread. You guys can dish up first.
You got 3 plates? Do you want to eat one? You got a plate.
All right, bite ham. Oh my god. I just had a potato. And it's actually so good. Despite not having anything to cook it in. Just a little bit of rainwater and some seasoning salt. Really puts the earthy notes in the taters, you know? The beans are good. I don't know if you guys like brains, but these are plant brains is what I call them. Brussels sprouts, they kind of look like a little brain.
Today, Kyle learned how Brussels sprouts grow on a stalk.
I saw a Brussels. Have you ever seen a Brussels sprout stalk?
Wait, what?
It looks like it's from space. It's like a big round stalk, and then all the sprouts just grow on it everywhere, like in just like rows all the way up it.
Wait, what?
Yeah, right? I thought it'd be like a plant with like some sprouts hanging on it.
I thought they grew like cabbage.
No, pretend this is like the stalk, like this tripod right here, and then they're just like boop, 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 boop,
Yeah.
boop, boop, boop.
That's wild.
They had full stock at
Save
on.
And Kyle's like, what?
Yeah, what is that? Oh my god, the ham's the best part. It turned out really good. This is this part that fell in the fire. It's got a great taste to it.
One-handed. out of that hole then.
Yeah, that's good. Jiffy Pop. Alright, the teeth are brushed. We had a great night. And the heater's going, it's very warm. The fire's been nice. And we're gonna have a great night's sleep, I think. Hopefully the heater works great, like it always does. And we'll see you guys in the morning. Have a good night.
I didn't get a single picture last night. And I did.
Good morning, everybody. We had an awesome sleep last night. I think everybody was loving the diesel heaters. Without the diesel heater, this would suck. We were soggy and wet last night, but it's quit raining right kind of when we started going to bed at about 11 o'clock, and got all our stuff laid out and kind of somewhat dried out overnight with the diesel heaters. And yeah, woke up to a somewhat clear day. A little bit of fog, but we're just had some coffee and a little bit of breakfast, and sitting here enjoying the fire in the river. Gonna finish packing up here shortly and hit the trail and see if we can conquer that hill right there. I think we should be able to do it, no problem, hopefully. Yeah, we'll finish packing up and then we're gonna hit the road. Hopefully we only got about 20-30 minutes to get down to the highway, so not too far off. But yeah. Sweet! I want the extra weed. Easy. All the grip. Oh man, that was a bit of a hole there. Nice, first try. Too busy filming when I should be driving. All right, everybody, that brings an end to the winter solstice camping video. Glad we ended up going with the plan B because that was an awesome adventure. I'm glad I brought you guys along. And yeah, just remember, go out and explore and go camping and stuff. It's fun. Didn't hate it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.